have some stickers.
Claire tiết là. Nè, mấy kìa.
Okay.
Okay, tip Gia,
You guys
Claire.
can put some pumpkin stickers on there. We have some baseball stickers because you know who won the World Series? Who won the baseball? Me, the Red Sox. Can you say? Root for the Red Sox. If they don't win, it's a shame. And we have these. These are Halloween stickers. There's some friendly ghosts and some spider webs. Okay, let me open them first. Okay, here we go. Now, who wants what stickers for their bag, their box? Let's see. Why don't we take turns? Claire, you want to put some of these stickers on your box? Isn't she great? I actually really like. Would you like a ghost? Yeah. Here,
Claire, tip Gia. Lo tip Gia.
one on your bag. Okay.
Right. She's really.
Here you go. Can you put it on your bag?
You mama.
Ella, would you like a pumpkin?